boy, it's Ralph. What's up, buddy?
What up, young? What's up? Listen to JD?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
Man, this is pure anointing right here, man. It's that arrowhead, man.
Arrowhead.
Yeah, man, arrowhead, man. This holy water, man.
For real?
I mean, you know, like how there's crushed soda and all that stuff, man. All that stuff is buck, man. Shout outs to all y'all. But, man, get some anointing of God. This arrowhead, man. This holy water, pure life, man.
What does it do for you?
What does it do for you?
Whoa! Oh! Dude, it can do this? It can do all of this for you? Oh my gosh, let's go. Yeah.